Good evening. Last 2 days I have a small work, so I have not continued class. So today I will complete this 101 chapter. Today's topic is differences affecting safety performance. Difference safety means psychological factors and human factors. How human factors are contributing for their safety performance and how accidents may affect. So psychologically, human factors are psychologically fitness. So safe capacity is an individual estimated for the maximum oxygen. So first of all, we have to take a medical test for the boys who is going for a safety officer means how much he can breathe, how much he can take a breath, and how much his chest is elaborating. Like that, we have to take first of all mm, oxygen capacity and how sex means male or female and what are their percentage of that sex and body build up age muscular work and posture clothing nutrition training and everything we have to take the psychological physical physical factors. These are the physical factors and our psychological factors means and one more thing psychological means they depends on their attitude and aptitude and frustration conflict means depends on their situations how he is acting and how he is performing in his duties. So like that we have to estimate that person and how he is accepting of risk and how he is implementing his knowledge to get out of that risk and how and senses and uh, mental blocks precipitation of danger and acceptance of risk and responsibility for safety and judgment of mind. So if any accidents has placed in front of his eyes, he should have to take a moral support. Means yes, I can withstand for this decision and I can overcome this accident and I will never repeat this type of accident. Like that, we have to psychologically we have to fit our mind regarding their types of conditions and. Physically means the man should be perfect means his height weight and health everything should be perfect. Tough tasks he should require means every time he should take a tough task then his muscle also will be very very strong and which turns into demands for more oxygen to take breather means if a man is working a very heavy loads then automatically he can take more and more oxygen compared to other normal people. So at that time everybody everybody is a physically fit means he is a capable person to do this work according to that physical fitness and the psychological fitness also more and more important. Why? Because sometimes they have some issues from their family side or any outside problems. That problems will arrest in before the plant before he entered into the plant only. After getting into the plant he should take the work conditions and work environmental mind only. If he thinks the outside of the material means any frustrations or like any mental abilities like that, then automatically he will not sustain this job. And the physical situation factors means physical situation means he's a capable person for working of 8 hours or 10 hours or 12 hours. It should be depends on their health and everything. So basically, if a selecting person, if anybody is selecting for a safety officer, he should be a perfectly fit and he has to capable of working for 12 hours. Why? Because in erection of plants means starting time of the plants we have to work for the 12 hours. After erection of the plant, we have to go for a shift duties before before we have to plan for working more hours then automatically our physical fitness also depends on their how we are working and adjusting the time regarding to the plant and family type also. So if some persons working in under gaseous spaces how he is capable of running and how he is picking up that accident persons from that bottom of the pipe or bottom of the place. Like that we have to maintain some dangerous accidents how you overcome it. It means how you overcome it from that dangerous accidents we have to follow means we have to check his physical fitness and everything from our side only. Next, environmental side, environmental factors means their temperature, ventilation, light, noise, vibrations, humidity, thermal depends on means if you compare to Vizag, our climate is good, but compared to Assam there is a lot of climatic conditions changing there regarding their atmospheric global atmospheric places. So at when compared to these two places, we have to work in a cold situation in Assam, but compared to in Vizag, it is a normal places. So depends on their temperatures and ventilations, noise, everything we have to work for that. That is also environmental factors. Then motivation for safety means motivation. How we have to take a motivation means we have to take a motivation through education, communicating the people and participating and training the people in a proper manner, and we have to train and we have to achieve the goal in a disciplined manner, not in a undisciplined manner. We have to achieve our goals in a disciplined manner, then we have to go for work. Otherwise we have to face lot of problems. So motivation is the one of the main thing for any safety officer who is working under the pressure. Also he should take good motivation, and he should give good discipline and everything to the employees who is working under his our present problems we are facing in the safety means lack of knowledge. Why? Because there are little people are joining in companies, so automatically they don't know the knowledge of that safety. So everybody should follow the everybody should follow the training classes, and they have to learn something better than that before knowledge. And after completion of this knowledge, we have to implement that real power and real mind and real knowledge in the particular workplaces. Then we have to gain more and more knowledge regarding by doing experience in the factories or job locations. Then automatically we have to take our self motivation. Yes, I can do it, I can do it in a proper manner. Yes, I can go in a I can go in a such a manner. Like that we have to follow up, and we have to motivate the people regarding to this implementing of the safety laws. Formula of performance is ability and motivation. So formula for every performance is ability and motivation. He can able to work or not, or after that we have to take his self motivation. Total loss control can be achieved by the motivation of employees. Like that we have to trade unions and everything, and government. So loss of time is the main thing. We have to arrest the as a safety officer. So we have to consume each and every time, every minute we have to consume it, and we have to follow up. We have to follow up, and the money, property, like that, production because of accidents and like that. So if we arrest the main accidents, automatically we have to sustain the all problems like our self motivations in all fronts. Next, nature of motivation. Nature of motivation means motivation is one of the factors that stimulates or influences in the job performance. A Latin word mover means to move. In before itself only we have learned Latin language in the world. So from the Latin language only we are learning this situation of knowledge, everything. So nature of motivation means depends on their uh, leading position or a drive position to have we have to uh, behave like say our disciplined manner, function to guide behavior once it has occurred means if any nature problems has occurred, then we have to go for according to that nature how it is acting, and means how it acts, and how we have to motivate regarding that a situation. Like that we have to control, and we have to take the energy responsibilities of that particular work. Theories of motivation, there are theories of motivations are there. uh, Manslow classified the human needs and determined the properties. Some psychological theories are developed to motivate the people to improve their performance. So automatically we already telling that we have to motivate, and we have to take necessary actions regarding these motivations. So there are one type of chain link is given. I will read out the chain link. what are the human needs, we have to detection, and then satisfaction, then incentives or rewards, feedback for improved performance, so rethinking of type of satisfaction or incentive if necessary. So if anybody what the human needs best salary and best job. So we have to know what are the human needs, and we have to detect that yes, this guy is working for a good purpose only. So we have to give best job and best working condition places. Then automatically he gets a good job, means he can satisfy with that work. After in that satisfaction only, that boy that any worker can work up to 100%. They won't take any 80 or 60%. They will fulfill the 100% of his satisfaction. For regarding that satisfaction, means after getting his 100% of work, we have to give incentive or reward. After reward or after giving incentive feedback for improved performances. So we have to give the feedback for that employees. Yes, you have done a good job in that particular area. So you have to we are providing this increment for this type of job, and we have to give best performance as a feedback to self motivate of other people also. Yes, look at him, how he is working in his 100% satisfaction of work regarding his safety place. So you have to follow this guy like that. We have to give feedback to other employees by showing his performance only, and rethinking of his satisfaction. After getting this lot of rewards and incentives, some people will change their mindsets. Yes, I have already achieved something. Then we have to forget everything. Not like that. After giving incentives and everything, we have to rethink. Yes, this guy is a perfect person for this particular job or not. We have to rethink. Rethink. Yes, if he is a perfect person, then we have to go for another satisfaction or incentives like that. We have to go for it if any necessary like this. Okay. Methods of motivation and motivating all men to provide role of safety management in motivation. Role of safety management means it's a safety department. It should coordinate with the management people and along with the employees. It should give the most important motivation. They should adapt to following measures. They should follow the means first of all he should give proper training to the employees, and he should follow the management policy what he has given some policies for the any employee. We should follow that we should follow that policies only, like a company safety and health policy and environmental policy and quality policy. Means we have to maintain good product and in a good proper manner. Then everybody should get benefits and objectives with their proper doing of job only. Organization interest should be explained. This will bring belongingness to the togetherness. Means if to lot of people who work together, then automatically the company will achieve good thinking and good goals by given by the management. Um, uh, Not only we have to follow the safety rules and safety management rules, we have to follow the factory safety acting regarding their state acts and constitutional acts. Also we have to follow the rules and regulations for the welfare of the facility, for the welfare of the employees, and facilities under the factories act, how employee will get in benefits regarding that company or any factory, how it will how we have to achieve regarding their by using this factory laws and factory safety acts. Okay, and from first beginning class also I am telling we have to maintain good housekeeping. Then automatically our environmental also looking very nice, and we have to go for work a very pleasant manner. If anything there is a dust and a mud like that, then automatically our mindset will be automatically disturbed, and we can't give 100% satisfaction for that work. So we have to first of all we have to maintain the good safety cleaning and good housekeeping, and we have to maintain say we have to maintain a proper booklet also. How many days we have to clean, how many days we have to maintain the plant, and how many days we have to take for than any means what we have to take shutdowns, and how we have to take technical new techniques with that shutdown, and how we have to achieve our goals and production like that. And we have to increase the R&D, research and development also. We have to increase, and we have to go for a new product thinking and new market values and new safety device also. The diversion of new safety device also we have to find out for the safety of our employees, like that we have to follow by the role of safety in management. So everything should follow the safety. Conflict and frustration. Frustration means it's a one type of disappointment towards success. So we can't go for any frustration or any conflict. Means characters of frustration are aggression or regression and fixation or registration. Means don't go for any aggressive nature in our working conditions. We have to grow for a good manner and good friendly nature. In a friendly nature, we have to coordinate with each other, and we have to work for together to achieve our goals. If you show the aggressiveness and regression races, then automatically there is a no bonding between the two employees or any unions like that. Without bonding we can't achieve anything. Means company means it's a group of work, means group of people work only, not an individual work. Business means he can maintain his business by single hand only by taking exports and imports like that. But by running a company means it should be like a friendly nature. There should not be allowed any aggressiveness and regressiveness. Then last topic, it is 101 IS-101 is the last topic. Management information system. Management information system means how it is sources of information of safety, health, and environment protection. What are the sources? Means the Labor Bureau, Shimla, and Chandigarh, their states offices like that. Uh, we have a lot of industrial health organizations. We have to follow their rules and regulations. Depends on their safety and it depends on their state safety also. So one of the hygienic means All India Institute of Hygiene and Public Health. It's located in Calcutta. It is also given some rules and regulations regarding their public health and hygienist of the places. Some international organizations are there. Some state organizations are there. Green Tech Foundation, New Delhi. It is also giving some information regarding this safety and sources of the people, and everywhere. It means in every country we have different types of nations, different types of safety departments, and we have to learn from their different types of workplaces and everything. Okay. And the National Institute of Training for Safety Engineering is located at Bombay. NITI, it is also one of the leading position to give sources of information for safety regarding health and environmental protection also. Means without environmental protection we can't do anything. So we have to maintain the environmental protection also. Indian Association of Occupational Health, it is also located in Delhi. Occupational Health Research Institute, Ahmedabad means one type of institute. It is always research regarding health and occupational health. Means occupational health means where workers are working in a particular area. In that area, is there any occupational health centers are there or not there? Is the first aids are available or not there? So like that, it should monitor each and everything everywhere where plants are located. Some international organizations are under International Labour Organization. It is simply known as ILO. It is a main international safety regarding approved by the WHO, World Health Organization headquarters, Geneva. So we have to give some suggestions and regulations to that particular companies regarding their health and occupational centers, complication and collation and analysis of information. I already told that if a plant have before any accidents has occurred, we have to take a brief notes on that accident, how it happened, and how they overcome from that accident within a short period of time, and how they are arrested. Like that, we have to give lot of analysis on that particular accidents by giving a case study on that particular accident for the new joining people. Then after the new joining people will learn something from this case studies, and automatically they will arrest the problems, and they will learn something from that case studies. Analysis and use of modern methods of programming, storing and retrieval of MIS, safety, health and environmental. So we have to maintain some databases, spreadsheets, books, booklets, and everything for the safety purpose. Automatically, that entire safety what we have stored in a CD point or pen drives or like that. We have to give a proper chart channels and books and everywhere, and different types of materials for the employees. They can get more and more information regarding the safety and computer applications and uses. Computer applications and uses means everywhere some accidents will occur from so and so time. So we have to maintain some computer applications regarding SAP, systematically systematic arithmetic operations, like that. We have to follow some softwares to store the data and to implement the data in a particular manner. And the safety reports, manuals, procedures, and audit reports we have to maintain in a proper channel of disk, means regarding financial years. So we have to maintain that type of data in a particular computer. Then automatically that entire data will helps the people who is coming for joining of a new in that particular companies. And some thoughts will also give for the people who is working under means still present workers. They have to know the knowledge regarding how the accident has occurred and how they have overcome, like that. We have to maintain some data and everything. So advantage and disadvantage of computerized system means, advantage means we can store the entire data. We can store the entire data in a particular less space with more information. But the main disadvantage is circumstance. If the computer is not always justified, means automatically we have to update the computer knowledge, means updating the software and everything. If any viruses are like that attacking, we already lost the entire system audit reports and everything. So we have to maintain a good working condition laptop, or good kind of working condition of a system. So automatically we have to store the data in a proper manner of like soft skills and Excel sheets, or PDF formats, or any types of softwares. We have to store the entire data. So computerization, nowadays computerization is involved in every department. So we have to know the computer knowledge also regarding these employees who is working under safety operations, and safety, health, environmental conditions also rapid. So we have to maintain the good computer knowledge and good computer computer works also, means computer management of emergency operations, CMEO. It's one of the world software that is working for the process industries. So in any emergency we have to give this computer knowledge only, means by providing some diagrams or flowcharts or any videos, like that. We have to implement, and we have to play some uh, videos also regarding these accidents. So nowadays computer may plays a key role. Computer plays a key role in our health and safety also, and our life also. So we have to give more and more importance to the safety, and we have to adapt computer is also one of the part in our safety purposes. So we have completed IS-101 regarding our exam point of view. So tomorrow onwards, I will continue safety engineering one IS-102. So one of the how we have to maintain some engineering safeguards and engineering safety engineering. How we have to follow regarding this heat control or basics of missions, guards, safeties, and solutions. Everything we have to follow in this chapter. Okay. So everybody uh, should make a note on this 101 paper, and you have to submit like one theory paper means how you have understand this 101 class on means regarding this safety management and how safety people are safety people of main constructions, main working places are like that. We have to follow each and everything. Okay. Thank you, one and all. So tomorrow I will continue this IS 102 regarding safety engineering one. Okay.